Have you ever noticed something interesting about old steam trains? No matter where they were built or which country they came from, most of them were painted black. Was it simply a design choice? Did engineers think black looked better? Or was there a much more practical reason hiding behind that color? Today, we're going to uncover the surprising reason why steam engines were almost always painted black. And once you understand it, you'll never look at a steam locomotive the same way again. Before we begin, if you enjoy discovering the hidden science, engineering, and history behind everyday things, be sure to subscribe to Secret Behind Things and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now, let's find out why steam engines were black. At first glance, painting a train black doesn't seem like a big deal. But during the age of steam, every decision had a purpose. Steam locomotives weren't just machines. They were powerful factories on wheels. Inside every locomotive, coal was burned at extremely high temperatures. That heat boiled water, creating high-pressure steam. The steam then pushed giant pistons, which turned the wheels and pulled hundreds of tons across the railway. But burning coal created another problem: smoke, ash, soot, and tiny black carbon particles. These covered almost every part of the locomotive. If the engine had been painted white, blue, or any light color, it would have looked dirty after just one journey. Black paint hid the soot far better than any other color. That meant railway workers didn't have to spend hours cleaning the engine after every trip. It saved both time and money. But that wasn't the only reason. Black paint was also incredibly practical. During the early days of railways, special heat-resistant paints were limited. Many black paints contained materials that handled high temperatures better than brighter colored paints available at the time. The boiler, the smoke box, and the firebox became extremely hot during operation. A poor quality paint would quickly crack, fade, or peel away. Black coatings proved to be more durable under those harsh conditions. There was another advantage most people never think about: maintenance. Steam locomotives required constant repairs. Engineers inspected them almost every day. Whenever scratches, oil stains, or repairs appeared, black paint made them much less noticeable. If a section needed repainting, workers could simply apply another coat of black without worrying about matching different colors. This made maintenance much faster. Some people also believe black helped steam engines absorb more heat from sunlight. While black surfaces do absorb more solar heat, this effect was actually very small compared to the enormous heat produced by burning coal inside the boiler. So although sunlight added a tiny amount of warmth, it was never the main reason steam engines were painted black. Interestingly, not every steam locomotive was black. Luxury passenger trains often received beautiful colors. Some were painted dark green, deep blue, or even bright red. These special locomotives were used to represent railway companies and impress passengers. But even many of those colorful engines still had black smoke boxes, because that part experienced the highest temperatures and collected the most soot. As railway technology improved, better paints became available. Diesel and electric trains no longer produced thick clouds of coal smoke. That allowed manufacturers to use brighter colors without worrying about soot covering the entire train. Today, modern trains come in almost every color imaginable: white, silver, blue, red, yellow, even colorful advertising designs. But during the golden age of steam, black remained the smartest choice. It hid dirt, reduced maintenance, handled heat more effectively, and kept locomotives looking presentable despite burning tons of coal every day. Sometimes, the simplest engineering decisions aren't made for beauty. They're made because they solve real problems. So the next time you see a beautiful old steam locomotive in a museum or watch one rolling down the tracks, remember this: its black color wasn't chosen just to make it look powerful. It was a practical solution created by engineers over a century ago to keep one of history's greatest machines working efficiently. And that simple decision became one of the most recognizable symbols of the steam age. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Secret Behind Things for more fascinating stories and simple explanations behind the everyday things we often take for granted.